Every day, millions of tiny workers inside your brain wake up and immediately start running a factory. A factory designed to deliver pleasure. But here's the catch. Most of the time, they're producing it for all the wrong things. Every notification, every scroll, every bite of sugar, it's like fuel for this factory. A tiny hit of dopamine here, another there, and it feels good at first. But soon the system overloads. The more you chase instant rewards, the less your brain rewards you naturally. And here's the problem. Your dopamine factory is out of control. It's wired to reward anything that gives a quick hit, no matter how meaningless. Scrolling feeds the machine. Junk food fuels it. Games feed it. And your brain slowly burning out. But what if I told you there's a way to take control, to retrain your dopamine factory to reward things that actually matter? Welcome to the concept of dopamine detox. During a dopamine detox, you intentionally avoid short-term pleasure triggers. No endless scrolling, no binge eating, no impulsive games. Your brain reacts, strangely at first. It complains. It's restless, it's bored, but this is the factory recalibrating. Gradually, your factory learns a new pattern. Dopamine starts rewarding actions that actually improve your life. Reading a book becomes pleasurable. Finishing a workout feels rewarding. Completing a task releases satisfaction. Your brain is being rewired, not deprived, upgraded. Science backs this up. Dopamine isn't a villain, it's your brain's reward currency. The problem isn't having dopamine, it's spending it on meaningless activities. By redirecting it, you teach your brain that discipline, focus, and delayed gratification are worth more than a fleeting hit. Over time, these new pathways strengthen. Like grooves in a riverbed, the more you follow them, the easier it becomes to stay disciplined. Your factory now rewards you for focus, not distraction. The beautiful thing about this process, it doesn't take months of struggle. Even a few days of mindful detox can reset the system. You feel sharper, more alive, more in control. And the longer you maintain it, the more your brain rewires itself toward purpose. And here's the key insight. Your brain loves reward. Dopamine detox doesn't remove reward. It teaches your brain to seek the right reward. Pleasure is no longer a mindless rush. It's intentional. It's earned. It's meaningful. Your brain is not broken. It's a factory, and like any factory, it can be redesigned. Dopamine detox isn't punishment. It's freedom. It's control. And most importantly, it's the first step toward building a life where discipline feels natural and pleasure has real meaning.